In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up high and low level workflows in Monday.com. Let's dive right in and make organizing your tasks much simpler and more efficient. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Monday.com. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner and click on the Login button. If you've set up your Monday.com account using a Google account, click on the Google option during login and choose the appropriate Google account that you've used to sign up. This will take you directly into your Monday.com workspace. Now that you're logged in, you'll see a menu panel on the left-hand side. Here, find and select your board where you want to organize and streamline your high and low-level workflows. This board is your central hub for managing projects, so make sure you're in the right one. Now move into your specific table or group where you want to lay out your workflow details. Think of this area as a digital workspace where all the necessary bits and pieces of your project come together. Once you're here, it's time to start modifying and adding to this space. You'll notice a plus icon on your dashboard, usually at the top of the columns. Clicking this icon allows you to add new columns. Now we're getting into the structure of your workflow. Select the option that says Connect Boards. This feature is a powerful tool in Monday.com as it enables different boards to communicate with one another, which is crucial for a seamless workflow. After you've clicked Connect Boards, another button labeled Select Boards will appear. Click it, and you'll be prompted to choose which board you want to link. Here's where you select your low-level board. This board contains more detailed or specific tasks that flow into your main project board, providing context and detail as needed. To ensure the connection is dynamic and real-time, check the box labeled Create a Two-Way Connection. This option allows changes in one board to be reflected in the others, promoting seamless updates and coordination. Then confirm the linkage with a click on Connect Boards. With this setup, you now have a live connection between your high-level and low-level workflows. And just like that, you've set up a streamlined high to low-level workflow on Monday.com. By following these steps, you can ensure your projects are organized in a way that maximizes efficiency and clarity across your team. This setup is especially beneficial for those managing complex projects with multiple components, enabling everyone to stay on track and informed at a glance. So happy organizing, and be sure to make the most of Monday.com's robust features to meet your workflow needs.